Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to set default font in Word document. First you need to open Microsoft Word document and start a blank document. And then you need to press Ctrl plus D to open the font dialog box. And now here you need to choose your desired font style and size. Right now it is Calibri in my computer. You can change to anyone like Caldeci or Century Gothic. Here is the Century Gothic, and you can select the font style to the italic, bold, whatever your choice is. So I'll be happy with the regular, and the font size should be 11. And once you do that, you need to click on the set as default on the bottom. And here in that window you need to select either you want to select this document only or you want to all document based on the normal templates. So I'll be selecting all document based on the normal template. And this is what you can see, that the font has been changed to the Century Gothic, and this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can set default font in Word.